Hi everyone, today I'll be giving a demo on SSAS to Fabric ETL migration. First, go to the Setup module and open the connection screen to add the source and target connection details. Here, I've already added the SSAS files as the source. This is where the path of all the uploaded files is stored. I've also configured the Fabric connection details as the target. After adding the connections, we have to come to the Assessment module. In the Upload File screen, we have to select the source connection that we added and upload the files. If required, we can also delete the uploaded files. Here, I'm going to upload zip files that contains all the files related to the SSAS model, and this is the SSAS multidimensional cube model. It contains data sources, data source views, and cube models. This is how the cube looks. It contains all the fact tables and dimension tables with their relationships, dimensions, calculations, KPIs, aggregations, and everything related to the cube model. Here we have a tabular cube model, which contains all the tables and data sources, and it has the related relationships, measures, KPIs, and everything related to the semantic model. Now, coming back to QMigrator, we have to go to the extraction screen. After uploading the file, we have to select the run number and connection name, then click Check Details and execute. Since the uploaded file is a zip file, it will be extracted and placed into the appropriate folder during the extraction process. After extraction, we need to perform the conversion in the migration module. In the conversion screen, we're going to select the run number, the source connection as file, and then select the projects. We can select a single file, multiple files, or all the files according to our requirement. For this demo, I'm going to select retail sales as the project. For the target connection, I'll select target_fabric, and for the workspace, QMigrator 100, so that the output will be deployed into that workspace. Then click Check Details and execute. Once we execute, we can see the conversion status here. We can also view the previous runs. Here, we can see the execution logs with respect to the selected run number, and we can download them if required. Similarly, we can also view the reports and download them. The report is generated in the format of Power BI and contains relationships, models, tables, and everything required. Now let's go to Fabric. Here we can see the retail sales semantic model, which we used in the demo, and here we have the sample sales semantic model. First, I'll be showing you the sample sales semantic model of SSAS multidimensional, which we have converted. This is how it looks. It contains all the dimension and fact tables with their corresponding relationships, and it also contains the measures that have been converted from the MDX format. Here we have the retail sales semantic model, which is of an SSAS tabular model. It also contains all the tables with their relationships, along with the measures in DAX format. Now, moving back to QMigrator, instead of going through different screens to perform the ETL conversion, we can use the E2E migration module. From here, we can migrate the SSAS model to Fabric in one click. We just have to select the source connection and target connection, and the entire ETL migration will be completed automatically. Thank you.